How to activate Walmart gift card. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily activate Walmart gift card on your Walmart app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first, open up your Walmart app. Wait for it to load. And once you're in your Walmart app, here you have to tap on account in the bottom right corner. Then wait for it to load, and then here tap on wallet. In wallet you'll see gift card, tap on it. Then here you have to enter your gift card number, enter your PIN, and if you want to give a nickname to your gift card you can write here. If you don't know where is PIN on physical gift card, the PIN will be on the back of the card. If you have a e-gift card, the PIN will be in the confirmation email. If you don't have a PIN, you can tap here, and after filling in all these details you just have to tap on save card, and the card will be saved on your Walmart app and you will be able to use that gift card. So this is how you can activate Walmart gift card. Thanks for watching.